Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to take your video editing for using transitions to the next level. Also in the description I've got some tips and tricks for using transitions, when you should and shouldn't use them, and what different types of transitions to use. At the end of the video I've got a playlist with more tutorials on how to use Video Guru. And there's also a subscribe button, so please watch the video and please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. So go down on the bottom timeline. You've got two videos on your timeline. Tap on the split, then select from the catalogue what type of transition you want. Once you've done that, choose a transition from the top line. Adjust the speed of the transition, it can be up to 4 seconds. Then tap on the tick on the end, the right hand side. And now we're going to see the transition actually working that I've added to this video clip. Well, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.